Hello, my name is Alper Nishar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today, I'm going to be showing you the Audit Trail tab on the Swift Sensors console. In order to access the Audit Trail, you need admin permissions and it'll be underneath the Admin tab. The main purpose of the Audit Trail is to show you the changes made within your Swift Sensors account. At the top of the page, you can filter the audit trail by selecting a specific date range to view changes made within a given time frame. You can also refine your search based on the type of account alterations. And if you are looking for a specific change, the search bar at the top right allows you to do so. Each entry in the audit trail provides details about an account change, including the date and time, the type of action performed, the element that was modified, a brief description of the change, and the user responsible for the change. This makes it easy to track who made changes and what was altered within your account. That is the audit trail page on the Swift Sensors console. If you have any further questions, please visit swiftsensors.com/support or contact us at support@swiftsensors.com.